Hello and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to today's video. So today video is about one of the questions which it took me long time to find out and I really struggled, which is that how much actually you're gonna walk when you're doing a tawaf. So how much is the distance when you do one circle around the Kaaba or the seven circle around the Kaaba? Because that's the thing, there is Mataf area, which is the ground floor, and here you can be as near to Kaaba. So the circumference, which is basically the distance of a circle, how much is that? And if you are on first floor, second floor, or the roof of the Kaaba, which you see in the picture, how much is the distance? So let's have a look, and hopefully inshallah this will really be helpful for you to know that how fit are you or how much you need to be healthier. So let's have a look at this. So again, just starting with the picture so that you know that how the Kaaba looks like. Inshallah, everyone know, but that's the thing. We sometimes need a bit more clarity. So you can see there are so many, alhamdulillah, people doing tawaf and on all the floors. So there are lots of people on this floor, then there are on the first, second, and on the roof of the Kaaba. So just remember that currently, as per the government law, that not everyone is allowed to enter the Mataf area, which is the ground floor, and only the people who are coming for Umrah are or basically Hajj are allowed to enter Mataf area in the state of Ihram. If you're going to be out not in the state of Ihram, which means that you don't have the two white sheets, especially for the males, they won't be allowed, and sometimes they are even checking the apps. So my next video inshallah which going to be coming will be about that if there is any way that you can enter Mataf even without ihram. So keep watching for that and wait for that video to come, and you will know that if there is a way to enter the Mataf area. So let's focus on the topic right now. So how much is the distance? So let's quickly move on. So this, anyone who's taking the pictures or you usually see that with the Kaaba, so they are in the Mataf area or the ground floor area. Ground floor is called Mataf. So I tried to search a lot, but I couldn't find the answer. But then I looked at the Google map, and you can do this calculation yourself. So this is the Kaaba, like a satellite image, and here I was able to use the Google tools in order to draw a circle around the Kaaba. So this is an approximate circle which I draw very near to Kaaba, as you can see, and based on that, on these points, if they are visible to you, the one circle around the Kaaba near to the Kaaba takes a distance of 96 meter, and for seven circles the below figure states it's 672 meters, which is quite easy. If so, it means that if there is not too much crowd and you are lucky enough to be near to the Kaaba, alhamdulillah, you can, it is less than a kilometer, it's around 600 or 700 meters, so which is quite easy to do the seven circles. If you are on average distance based on the satellite image, I just made a random, like an average distance around the Kaaba. As you can see from the pointers, it is one circle will be around 175 meters and it will be 1.2 kilometer, so almost double than the minimum distance. And if it is, and this is all about the ground floor, and if this is the ground floor, and the maximum approximate distance for one circle will be 365 meter, and for seven circle it will be 2.5 kilometers. So if it is a crowded season, if it is during the season of Hajj or the season of Umrah, and sorry, not Umrah, Ramadan, and you are going during those time, then consider that you might be having you might be doing a tawaf on the outer circle in the Mataf area, and you might be covering around 2.5 kilometer, which is a bit high considering a lot of people struggle to walk after 1 kilometer. So 2.5 kilometer is slightly higher, but if you're fit, it's not an issue, it seems quite easy. But what about the tawaf distance if you don't get the space on the ground floor, which is the Mataf area, or as I stated, not everyone is allowed to go on the Mataf area if you are not in the state of Haram or wearing two sheets. Then in that case, basically you're going to be going on the first floor, second floor, or the roof of the Kaaba, and all these are approximately the same. The distances are same. So if we look at that again based on the Google map and the drawn circle, as you can see from the first left figure, it would be one circle is around 546 meter and seven circle 3.8 kilometer. If an average distance will be 609 meter and maximum would be 4.3, and the maximum which I can see from here on the roof is 685 meter and 4.8 kilometers. So it's a lot of distance if you are unable to get a space on Mataf and you have to go on any other floor. So this table summarizes it all for you. So it will be really useful to have a look and know that how you're going to be dealing with it. And you can see basically just looking at the main figures, if we just look at the 7 circles, you can pause the video and look at the table for one circle, the left, this side, the yellow highlighted one, and the blue one is basically for the 7 circles in order to complete the tawaf, because tawaf is 7 circles around the Kaaba. And if you see over here, the green highlighted one are the difference between the like Mataf versus the all other floors, which is first floor, second floor, and the roof. And if you consider here for this 7 circles, basically 672 meters minimum versus 3.8 kilometers. So already the minimum distance, if you go anywhere above the ground floor, it's quite high. On the maximum can be 2.5 kilometer in Mataf, but maximum in the any other floor is 4.8, like almost 5 kilometers. So it's almost double the distance as compared to if you're going to be the maximum in the Mataf area. So there is a huge difference between them. So that's why it's necessary that you understand. And also wait for my next video where I'm going to be showing you if and how you can enter the Mataf area, and who is allowed and what you can do, because there is a loophole which you can maybe try, but whether it's recommended or not, let's wait for the next video. So hopefully this video is useful for you to know that how much are the distances and how much you're going to be walking in order to circle around the Kaaba. And if you have any question, let me know. You can verify these calculations by going on Google Map, and you can do it yourself. But inshallah, to the best of my knowledge, these are the most accurate figure. And otherwise, I hope you like the video. If you like, please do subscribe and share. And there are lots of other videos which are going to be coming up, and lots of videos which exist already. You can check my playlist of Hajj Hajj and Umrah videos, and also you can go in the description to look at some of the videos. If there is some inappropriate thing or wrong thing, please forgive me. And as I always say, I'm a student and I like to gather information. And if there is something wrong, please forgive me, and please follow your scholars if they have any insight on any of the issues. Thanks for watching. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Till next time. Assalamu alaikum.